About my breakthrough data compression algorithms nga in 2008-2009, ito yung mga congressmen, alam niya noon, government officials, mayors, congressmen, governors, senators, president, the Philippines that time, tinago niya yan sa lahat. And you were paid, you were perhaps paid some millions of dollars to keep silent about it. You're liable. Mga kurap kayo, huli kayo dapat. Kahit saan yung rason yan, may kamalian kayo. Merong kakulangan kayo na you didn't talk to me. I wasn't paid about those breakthrough data compression algorithms. Pero yun nga, mayroon akong statements na that's the harder part for those tech companies sa email, even NASA, tech companies to pay me for just those breakthrough data compression algorithms that I sent them in 2008-2009. Dahil may statements nga ako na I actually created and owned the tech giants Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Apple, Nvidia, Samsung, and others. Twitter, IBM, I co-own, Intel, AMD. Those are already my statements in my messages and emails in 2008-2009. So it's a problem for them. Pero alam nyo naman na I wasn't rich, I wasn't wealthy. You know, I needed a big money. Dapat kayo hindi kayo tumanggap ng pera doon, malaking pera. Ang tech giants kung na-bribe man kayo. Ano mga irarasan nyo? Mga national concern, global concern, established na mga history na it was Bill Gates who created Microsoft, and that Sergey Brin and Larry Page started up Google, and also Mark Zuckerberg started up Facebook. The sister, pero tunay nga sinasabi ko, mga gawa ko nga yan eh. Gawa ko yung products and technologies ng Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Because I owned them. I started them up. We started them up. We planned their startups, their creation. Yan pinakatama dyan noon, 1970s pa lang, ay majority shareholder nga. Even before. Hindi dapat na ako sa akin yung shareholder. Shares ko ng Microsoft, and Google, and Facebook. Majority ownership for me in Microsoft. Meaning the biggest ownership share. Pero hindi sa Google actually. And also Facebook. Pero sa Facebook that time, parang ginagawa plano niya, online, parang social networking, mas online social dating sites ang kasama niyan. Pero ginawa natin formal ang Facebook, official. Any companies, any entities, individuals, and groups, pwede magkakaroon ng Facebook account. It's an online Facebook account. But first for personal ng Facebook, for personal page ng mga individuals and stars, international stars, and those prominent people. But of course, naturally, magkakaroon talaga mga business companies ng Facebook accounts. Then, nandiyan lang Instagram. Gawa rin namin. So, I own those companies. I own or co-own those companies. Yan may ownerships. Pwede naman, sabi ko, kahit na nung pa na I own those companies and then startup niya ni Sergey Brin again and Larry Page. Officially, again, restart up in 1998. Pero din sa Microsoft, ibabalita lang yan sa media na this guy, Gerald Artamayo, who started up Microsoft, co-founded Microsoft, and then he actually owns majority shares ownership of Microsoft. But in the media, sikat in Bill Gates, CEO and chairman of Microsoft. He will still always be in the limelight in advertising, promoting, presenting the Microsoft products. The Microsoft products that I actually created and co-developed because I planned the Microsoft products and technology timetable nga, sabi ko nung pa. Gawa ko yung MS-DOS. Windows, pati MS-DOS interrupts pa lang, gawa namin yan. Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, Xbox, gawa ko yan, plano namin yan, gawa namin yan. Xbox, computer game console, mga programs namin yan. Mga develop ko yan, games, gawa namin. Marunong ako yan, Xbox consoles, specifications ko yan. Ako nagpaplano yan na sa Xbox 2, Xbox 1 and 2, at kung specs ng Xbox 2, version 2. Also, Microsoft Quantum Computing products. Minecraft, gawa rin namin yan. Pero ayaw ko ngayon una kasi parang ano lang yung Minecraft eh. Kumbaga, it's 3D graphics programming na it's from jagged pixels like in 2D images. 3D mo ang Minecraft. Yan yung small cubes eh. It's the jaggedness. Pinaganda lang pero hindi total rendering na maganda na ng 3D graphics nga, 3D surfaces, 3D objects. Pero gawa rin, inaprobahan ko rin yung Minecraft. Kaya sikat ngayon sa Microsoft, yun nga yung quantum computing stage, na tayo ngayon, era. 2010s pa, nag-umpisa, 2000s pa, active in 2010s. Yung Majorana 1, Majorana 2 na ngayon, kalalabas lang weeks ago. Majorana 2, gawa ko pa yan, gawa pa namin, designs pa namin yan. Actually, sa SM Fairview, naalala ko na naman eh. Kasi I already remember many years ago. Hanggang Majorana 8 na yata kami dyan eh. Majorana 12 eh, sasabihin na. Majorana 11 lang at 12. Majorana 11, sasabihin na for being military, classified military research too. 117 and 911 in the US. Kaya ang naalala ko dyan, yung mga gawa ko pa yung specs pa namin yan. Hanggang Majorana 8, 9, hanggang 12. Pero that time, late 70s, pinapakita sa akin ng mga pisang ko na rin, o kamag-anak ko, o tiyahin ko, sa Fairview, hanggang Majorana, 1 to 2, or sa pilitan pa, paalala sa akin ng Majorana 4, hanggang Majorana 4, or 3, or 4, 5. Kasi tinatago nga, siyempre, it's classified, it's trade secret ng Microsoft. It's the products ng Majorana chips. Naka-timetable na. Paalala nila sa akin, even though they knew I own majority of Microsoft, I was I was really wealthy already also in other tech companies and Hollywood music and movies. Baka may balita ko maturo ko sa iba yung some of those Majorana quantum chips at technologies namin. Pero pare-pareho lang galing din sa akin yan. I was a central hub among tech scientists at the time, 1970s. Social hub, central hub.